Hi, welcome to Topper Talk Season 3. Come on, let's have a talk session with our semester toppers.
Hello everyone, I'm B. Bhavna Fanistri from School of Agriculture, SRU University, final year student, and I'm really grateful for this Semester Topper Award.
My name is Anbu Selvan. I am from Tamil Nadu. I'm currently pursuing my MBA first year in SRU. I truly feel honored to receive the Semester Topper Award.
Ahnuvi Jillepalli, a first year student from CSC AML. I'm really happy to receive this award from SR University.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Gandra. I'm currently pursuing my BSc Agriculture graduation in our SR University. I'm great to be here to achieve this semester topper presentation.
Hi guys, this is Sanvi from CSE first year. I'm really happy to be the semester topper.
My name is Sandhya Rani and I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I'm currently pursuing my Masters in Business Administration at SRU University and I have secured a semester topper in my first semester.
So my name is Bashobi Hati. I'm from West Bengal. I'm from second year CSE and I'm very thankful for being the semester topper this time.
I'm Ranjam Rani from Bihar. I'm second year CSC AML student and I'm very thankful to being a semester topper.